Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Roblox inventory public. Having a public inventory is super useful for many reasons, like trading with friends or showing off your cool collection to the community. It opens up new ways to interact and engage with other players. We'll go through the simple steps to adjust your privacy settings, ensuring your items are visible to those you want to share them with. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Roblox account using a web browser, not the app, for full access to settings. Once logged in, look for the small gear icon located in the top right corner of your screen. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu. From there, select Settings. On the left side of the Settings page, you'll see several tabs. Click on the Privacy tab to proceed to the next step. Now that you're in the privacy settings, scroll down a bit until you find the section titled Other Settings. Here, you'll see an option that asks, "Who can see my inventory?" By default, this might be set to no one or friends. To make your inventory fully public, simply click on this option and choose everyone from the available choices. This single change will allow all players to view your items. Great news! Roblox automatically saves your privacy settings as soon as you make a change, so there's no need to click a separate save button. To confirm everything is set correctly, you can visit your own profile page and navigate to your inventory tab. You should now see your items visible. With your inventory public, you can now easily trade, show off your unique collection, and connect with the wider Roblox community. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.